one of the biggest things that individuals and teams can do to meet their leaders halfway is being open to feedback and able and willing to shift their behavior and their mindset based on the responses and the coaching and the feedback and interactions that they have with their leader. Walk us through what coachability is for you and how individuals, for lack of a better term, can go about or create an opportunity to be maybe more coachable. Is that the right term that I'm looking for here?
Sure. There is more and more research coming out around organizational effectiveness on coachability. And in fact, some organizations have started hiring for it as one of the key competencies or criteria they look for in their employees. It's that important to team success. And coachability is the ability for someone to receive feedback and embrace coaching from a learning perspective. So they're open to learning, they're open to trying, and they're open to constructive criticism and are able to enact positive change or behavior change based on that. And so it's willing to shift mindset and willing to shift behavior. And so that's really what coachability is. And so from a team perspective, it's using some self-awareness. How coachable am I? How open am I? And what can I do to shift my mindset from resisting and becoming defensive to being open and recognizing this is an opportunity for me to grow and for me to be more successful and to win? From a leadership perspective, creating that culture where teammates are willing to give each other feedback and to call each other out when they're not meeting the expectations of the team. That's a great environment to create from a leadership perspective. Another technique that works well from a leadership perspective is the concept around feed forward instead of feedback. And so coachability works really well when people are told how to win, not what they did wrong. And that's the difference between feedback. Typically, feedback leaders are taught to say, okay, you did that wrong and you did that wrong and that didn't go that well and you missed that. Instead of focusing on what people did wrong, leaders and peers and teammates can say, hey, the next time let's try this. Or maybe when you go to set up this on the manufacturing line, try using this tool. I've seen other operators have better success. It's telling people how to do it right, how to win, how to be successful. It's forward thinking, not what they did wrong, because they can't fix what they messed up in the past. That's in the past. And so that's another little tip or technique to create that environment. And that's something teammates can do. Teammates can give feed forward to each other. And then also their leaders. And then the team embraces that. That's the coachability part. And they're more likely to be willing and open when they're being coached in a feed forward fashion.
If Medlicon can help you and your organization, we're happy to do so. We specialize in the following areas: quality and compliance, validation and qualification services, project management, tech transfers, general and specialized training programs, engineering services, and talent acquisition. If you have general questions as well, feel free to give us a call at any time. We can easily be reached at 833-633-8226 or via our website at www.medlicon.com. Thanks so much, and we look forward to speaking with you.
Thank you for listening to the Quality Grind podcast presented by Medlicon. To learn more or to hear additional episodes, visit us at www.medlicon.com.